Morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Palak Sharma and Nikhil Singh, on the behalf of the Commerce Society, welcome you to this inauguration. It's a pleasure to invite our principal, sir, as the guest of honor. We are grateful for your valuable time that we get to share with you. This business review and the annual report has been in the works for a long while, and today we are inaugurating this with a hopeful heart that all of you get to enjoy our fruits of labor. This would not have been possible without any of your support. Welcome to the inauguration of Ramjas Business Review and presentation of annual report of Commerce Society for the year 2020-21. Now I would like to invite our beloved Mohit Bhaiya to take the lead.
Thank you, Palak. I would now request and welcome Dr. P.C. Tulsian, sir, to start the inauguration. Sir, our principal sir is also joining in a minute or so. If yes, we can wait for him and then start the inauguration. Otherwise,
we can start.
All right. So I would like to welcome Dr. P.C. Tulsian, sir, and also Dr. N.K. Gupta, sir, to start the inauguration of this. So, do we have Dr. N.K. Gupta, sir, here? Sir, if you are here now, just please raise.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
and congratulations.
Thank you, sir, for being here. Now, sir, just before we have made a 30 seconds video as a launching video. Like we are in the virtual environment, so I like how to make it interactive one. So like for this, we have made a launching video, and I will just run that, and I will just give a walkthrough of our Ramjas Business Review, and then would like to have you so as to give your speech and shower us with your blessings. So, sir, may I start sharing that launching video? If you say yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah. So, Nikhil, just share that. Nikhil, we cannot listen to the sound.
Nikhil, you
start from the beginning.
Audio. Nikhil, you have to share audio.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Just start from the beginning.
So
audio is not audible.
So wait a minute.
Hello, Nikhil. What happens is when you share your screen, you get two check boxes there, whether to switch on the audio or not. So when you're sharing your screen for the first time on Zoom, you get that check boxes. Go tick on that, and then audio will be shared.
So here we are launching our Ramjas Business Review first edition. If participants here can just on their clapping in their reactions box that is there, or can so it will be like that you are all engaged. Yeah. So we are getting clappings from the participants. Thank you. And now, I would like to give a walkthrough or a glimpse of our Ramjas Business Review. I will just share up my screen. Let me know when you all can see it. Can anyone confirm if
it is visible?
You can see. So this is somehow our Ramjas Business Review looks like, and why do we like first made up the Ramjas Business Review? So at department, we observed that at our department, we have a lack of culture of writing or research skills among our commerce department students. Though we must admit that at Ramdas students, each and every Ramdas student has a zeal and enthusiasm to grow. But somehow that platform for exhibiting the writing skills, research skills, and critical thinking skills is lacking in the department. So we, the Commerce Society students, along with our teachers, we thought of launching a platform which gives students a way for and motivate them to write and go deep dive into the topics related to commerce. And that's why we came up with the Ramjas Business Review. So this Ramjas Business Review, it talks about a lot about the various happenings in the world of business, and it provides a very insightful articles and research papers that will revolve around the various happenings that are going in the corporate world, and next the concepts of commerce field like law, taxation, etc. that we study in our curriculum to the real life practicalities. So this is if I will to talk about this Ramjas Business Review first edition. It has a lot of topics ranging from cryptocurrencies to startups ecosystem, and have some deep dive research into the research paper into direct selling industry. It also contains article on the emerging technologies and new innovations that has emerged, like e-rupee, like SPAC, special purpose acquisition companies. So it is a bunch of 11 articles and a research paper written exclusively by our commerce department students only, because we want to give them the opportunity. And also with this start, we envision Ramjas Business Review initially to keep encouraging students to write more, read more, and in the long term to be that publisher, so that each and every part of the world people look actually Ramjas Business Review to get the knowledge of the nuances and understanding of the concepts of commerce, business, and all. So yeah, with this belief, we are very hopeful that we will be able to gradually, with the marginal improvement, able to reach to that point. And this is it. And just to give a quick walkthrough of our journal, here it looks like. And we will also just share this in the comment box and also in the social media handles. This link, you can see it through this flip book, which gives you a kind of feel of virtual book. And also we have it in PDF version. We will share this in both format. So yeah, here, this is a quick walkthrough of it. Now I would request CA Dr. PC Tulsian sir to shower us with your speech and or any message that you have for us and anything that you want to say. Over to you, sir.
So, Dr. N.K. Gupta, our senior most faculty, and other. Yes.
Yes, Dr. N.K. Gupta sir, are you there? If you are, please shower us with your speech or any message. Yeah, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Let sir speak, beta.
So, Naresh, you want to say something?
Hello.
Naresh,
हाँ जी sir, हुकम.
please give your blessing to the department.
Okay. Are sir, congratulations. Is a wonderful start. We can go ahead like anything. My blessings are always there with my students always. They should go ahead further. I will not take more time here. Let them enjoy. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, Yes, Mohit.
So, sir, do you have any message for our department students?
Yes. It gives me an immense pleasure to have the introduction of Ramjas Business Review for the first time in the history of Ramjas, as well as the release of annual report, and that is also for the first time, which consists of all team members with their photographs and assigned work. This motivates all members of the team, and further they can produce as an evidence later on when they are going to any organization. In the interview, when they are asking whether you have done any extracurricular activity, any leadership program, any organization program, so they can very well produce the same as an evidence. I congratulate all the contributors to the e-business review, because our purpose is to cultivate the habit of writing on contemporary issues. We have stopped the traditional writing by the students and teachers. They collect some jokes, some poems, some stories from here and there, and then they publish in the form of magazine. In every college, like this happens. But we have never repeated this traditional way, because the collection of jokes, stories, poems, it gives you academically nothing, because you are in education institution. You must learn, must know all the contemporary terms, issues, not only in India, but globally abroad. So a try has been made to write something on contemporary issues. So I welcome these efforts made by the contributors, and this will motivate other people as well who couldn't contribute due to lack of information or knowledge, and those who wish to contribute but could not contribute due to any busyness or otherwise due to COVID situation and all that. But I hope in future, by getting motivation from this first edition of Ramjas Business Review, they will be definitely motivated. And now at present, we are having only 10, 12 writings. And I think in the coming years, we will be having more and more contributors and writings, so that if all our students go through this e-business review, they will get some insights into contemporary issues. So this is a mere ABC step in the direction to enhance the knowledge of the students. So I again advise all the students to know the contemporary issues, contemporary terms, not in India as well as abroad, what is happening. I'm not saying that you have to do research or MPhil or PhD on that topic. I want that you should know the term. In brief, you should have some idea. Because when I have been the member of various interview boards in private sector. Okay, so in all the boards, this is always a question on the contemporary issue. Have you seen that? What has happened in US on this issue? And this term is introduced by our RBI Central Bank. Do you know about it? Since our students are mostly restricted to only textbook and all that examination 10 year. So this, sir, I have not heard at all. I have never seen like that. It is my experience as an interviewer. Okay. So I don't want that my students of Commerce Department should face any kind of trouble on such type of question in their interviews. In group discussions also, when you will face in your placement, they give you contemporary topic to discuss. Whosoever make the right presentation, effective presentation, he or she is selected. If you don't know about the topic, then you can imagine the situation. So that is only the purpose, to enhance your knowledge on contemporary basis. So this is the first step introduced this time in the history of Department of Commerce, so that if it goes on year after year, so much knowledge will be enhanced of every student, which is the only objective of having this business review. Okay, so I again wish all the contributors, and at the last, and all the team members who prepared this, who developed this, their IT section, other organizing sectors, and office bearers, President Mohit, Saurabh, Vice President, Diksha Singh, and all other members of the team who were actively involved in bringing out these issues. So I again wish them very good luck and bright future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing such motivational words to us and giving us a way of direction as we can proceed. So thank you so much for these very insightful and very motivational words for us. Over to you, Nikhil and Palak, for further part.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Now, this could not have been possible without our talented writers. So I would just like to thank them: Saurabh Goyal, Nitkarsh, Garima, Hardika, Nandini, Sunidhi, Ashutosh, Manha, Shobhit, Sashank, Bhumika, Siddharth Badlani. We all
And
like to...
Nikhil,
Yes,
I would like to suggest when you are thanking them, so they should show their video. At present, they are present in the program. Okay.
yes, absolutely.
So that we can see them.
Surely, sir. If the contributors can, open up their video and be here and just, we can see them and it will be grateful, and we will have a screenshot clicked as well as part of our memory. So we have Garima here, and also Nandini, Saurav, Nitkarsh also, Hardika, Shobhit, Shashank as well. Yeah, so sir, we have almost everyone here with their video on. Now I will just click some screenshots as part of our memory. So just be a just have a beautiful smile as you have.
Mohit, Mohit,
Ah.
I'm saying as we are talking to you online, okay,
Yes, sir.
in the same way, if it is possible, then we should have this meeting with these people as well.
Surely, sir. After this, just after this, we can have a meeting or at whatever time you feel convenient.
In the same program, you cannot show.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Do you
we
want
can
to have a
go just
conversation
a
with them? If
I'll
I
ask them to unmute. Mohit, one second. I'll ask them to unmute, and when they'll speak, their camera will automatically turn on. So we'll start with Saurabh. If you could go to the previous slide, Nikhil. We'll start with Saurabh and move in the sequential order. So, hi, Saurabh.
Yeah, so good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well in these pandemic times. So basically, I just want to share my experience. See, I was not a good writer. I just don't used to write earlier. Okay, so I would say it was my first time writing in the college premises. Okay, so earlier my article was also published in IMM Ranchi. So I just it just gave me an inspiration to write more when you win a small step. Okay, so you just develop a habit of doing the same thing again. So it was an inspiration, or you can say motivation, to write. So I just wrote for Ramjas Business Review, and what I found that I researched a lot more. Okay, I just got to know more and more technical terms, more and more words related to finance I was not aware of. So maybe like banking sector in the previous quarter posted a good profits. Okay, so I just deep dived into why the profits are rising. The reasons I found, like fall in NPAs. I just get a lot of more information about NPAs, what is the ratio. So yeah, you just get to know more and more when you write, and you just dive deep into the research. So these were my words, and I would like to say small learning act as a small step towards a huge success. Thanks.
Okay. Good.
very nice, Saurabh. Now over to Nitkarsh.
Okay, so hello, sir. Good morning, everyone. As I am also not into much of a writing student, but I tried my best in writing. So I write on a topic cryptocurrency, and I had a lot. I'm talking about my experience. It was such an insightful experience. I got to learn how to research on different kind of topics, how to go about the flow of the writings and all. So I also got to learn about much of what cryptocurrency actually is and what Dogecoin is, how it became famous, and what is the future aspects of it. So yeah, this was a very fun and insightful experience for me. Thank you.
Good.
Thanks, Nitkarsh. Now over to Garima.
So, good morning, everyone. It was the first time I got the opportunity to write something. So I learned a lot in this process. And in this process, I got a different kind of pleasure, like that I never got before. I will always be grateful to the Commerce Society for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks, Garima. Now over to Hardika. Yep, Hardika here. Hardika, I'm trying to ask you to unmute.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Sir, this was a huge learning opportunity for me. I deep dived a lot into the emerging business instruments, and I got to learn a lot about the global financial markets. So my topic was the special purpose acquisition companies, and I realized that earlier I didn't know a lot about the global financial markets, and this actually gave me, I learned a lot of new technical terms as well because of this opportunity. And I also got to learn a lot about academic writing. And I'm very grateful to Commerce Society for giving me this amazing opportunity.
Great. Now, over to you, Nandini.
A very good morning to everyone. Good morning, sir. So basically, I'm not in the writing part. I am always been to the marketing stuff. But when I wrote my first article here, after that, my curiosity for writing articles just went up so high that I wrote various other articles after that. And the knowledge you get after writing is immense pleasure. Means like you go on the depth of the topic. If you're reading something, you can't just be consigned to the limited part of that knowledge. You just deep dive into the concept, into the terms, and that is the best part you can say. So I just really love and I'm very thankful to the Commerce Society to giving me that opportunity, because after that I wrote various articles, and that was my first article when I wrote for the RTR. So thank you.
That was really wonderful, Nandini. And you said very right that the best part of writing is that it inhibits the curiosity in you, that to know more, to know the reasons of why. So yeah, well. So now, do we have Sunidhi here? Yes, Sunidhi, I'm asking you to unmute.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Unlike others who have said that this was their first time writing, I have actually been writing. I have written articles for my school newspaper as well, but those were more entertainment based. So this was my first time trying something more academic style. So obviously it was a very valuable learning experience for me. My topic was regarding unicorn startups. So it was a new topic. When I was writing this article, there was a projection that India would cross 50 unicorn startups by the end of the year. And I'm glad to tell everyone that we have already crossed the limit and we have made a record this year. That is a wonderful thing for India. And basically searching for the topic and researching for everything was a new experience for me. I read a lot of articles and looked through reputed news channels videos, and other people like Mohit Bhaiya also guided us. First, I was not keen in writing because I did not know if my academic style was good enough. So Mohit Bhaiya guided us that you guys should write. It is a good platform. It is something that will help you. It is a learning platform. So I'm very grateful to the Commerce Society as well as my seniors for guiding me.
That's really nice, and it was basically your own curiosity, Sunidhi, that made it possible. Thanks, Sunidhi. Now, if we have Ashutosh here, we would like you to come. No, I don't see anyone with the name Ashutosh. But if you are here now, just raise up your hand and I will unmute you. Till that time, I'm going to another contributor, Mana Soni. So, Mana, if you are here, I'm asking you to unmute.
Mohit, there is problem that there are more than 100 members. We are already there. More are waiting to enter. So that's why many of them could have is not in meeting, although they are trying to join. Okay.
Yeah, sir, I got the point. Yeah.
You can proceed with others.
So, Mana, you can, just speak. I've asked you to unmute.
Yeah. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Just like Sunidhi, I also have a craze of writing, but I usually write poems and blogs and things related to life. But this was my first experience to write on business. So, and that particular topic I wrote on, that was startup, actually excites me a lot, like knowing about the young entrepreneurs, their ideas, their hard work. So this particular topic gave me a lot of insight on this area, business and startups. So I'm really glad to get my article published, and I want to thank the Ramjas Business Review for it. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mana. This was really sweet. Now over to you, Shobit.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, I've been associated with the editorial board of the Commerce Society as well, right from Arbitrage 21, because I really have a love for writing content. So, when I saw that there would be an official publication, I was really happy. So, this is the first time any of my content has been published in an official publication, and so I found that the influence of a single tweet by a very rich person can have such an influence on the asset markets throughout the world. So that's why I found this topic to be very quirky, and I just had to write on it. So so not only have I been writing for this business review, I've also edited articles. So I really, got to see a lot of viewpoints as well as, writing styles in academic sense that really improved my own academic, outlook towards writing. So yeah, I'm really glad to the Commerce Society, to the Ramjas Business Review. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Mohit, I think Ashutosh is also there. You can ask him.
Yeah. So hi Ashutosh, I am. No, sir, he's not here as of now in the chat, as I can see in the participants list. Sir, he will be there now. I will make him unmute. So let time. Now I would like to, that next contributor is a very special one in the sense that he was the only one who sent us the research article, and it was really a good deep dive of around 11 to 12 pages of research of direct selling industry. And so yeah, over to you, Shashank, and just also tell us about, what was your overall thought process behind the research, and how did you able to put it into 10 to 12 pages? So just in a very brief manner, also tell us about what was your way of researching, so that other participants can also know about this. I'm just making you unmute. Shashank.
Thank you, Mohit Bhaiya. So good morning, respected conveners, seniors, and all my peers. So yeah, this was the first time I was writing a research paper. So I took a help from my friend who is pursuing law, who has written a lot many research papers. So he provided me all the framework, like what should be the framework you should follow while writing the research paper. So why on this topic, direct selling? Because I have been associated with this industry from past many months. So yeah, that's why I decided to write on this, and it was very exciting one. And while writing, initially I knew less about this industry, but while writing this research paper, I came to know the global perspective of this industry as well, and how it is functioning in different other countries. So initially I began with the facts and figures of the industry, because it is expected that it has a huge scope in India, and by 2025 it will be creating millions of employment opportunities. And next, later on, I discussed about the advantages of the industry, what are skills it provides us, and how it is helping in creating more employment opportunities in the country. And lastly, I discussed about the myths associated with the industry, because while working here, I came across that there is a lack of awareness among people regarding this, and there are some myths associated with it too. So I discussed on that too. So that has been my experience of writing a research paper. Thank you, Ramjas Business Review, for providing this opportunity.
Thank you, Shashank. This was very concise and was very apt. Thank you. Now over to you, Bhumika. I've asked you to unmute.
Hello everyone, good morning. So this is me, Bhumika Bhatia. Actually, I just want to thank the Commerce Department for giving me such an opportunity to write in their business review. It's just that for the first time I wrote something and that is published. So I am very thankful to every one of you.
Thank you, Bhumika. Over to you, Siddharth.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope good morning everyone, and I hope everyone is keeping safe in the pandemic. So I basically wrote upon Uttar Pradesh, the economy of Uttar Pradesh. It was something that I was very much looking forward to because it is also my home state. And as for my research experience, I think it was very enriching. I got to know about several new terms. Also, I think that when I started researching, I got to know about how Uttar Pradesh's economy is very much dependent on agriculture, and I also came to know about regenerative agriculture and how it not only prevents climate change, but it rather helps in reversing climate change. And now I am writing an entirely new article on regenerative agriculture and how we can use it to reverse climate change. So I think that writing one article creates a virtuous cycle, which we can further use to enhance our knowledge. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, Siddharth, your last line was truly a nice one. That it actually ignites that fuel in you and gives you a personal satisfaction and gratification once you are done with it. Yeah, so thank you each and every one of you for sharing in a glimpse of your experience. If Ashutosh joins us in a further session, we will ask him also to share his experience. Till that time, we are going to our next part. We are Nikhil, just can you share the next slide? Yeah. So these were the experiences that before they speak here, we also asked from them as well. So this was some of the experiences that they have written. Yeah. Now over to you, Nikhil and Palak, for the next part of our today's session, that is annual report.
Moving on forward, we have our annual report presentation, wherein we will talk about the main events of the ComSoc, along with the achievement of our department's really talented students. First of all, we have Arbitrage. Arbitrage, or the annual festival of the Commerce Department, was organized online for the first time from 17th to 19th of March. On 17th of March, Arbitrage 21 started with an inaugural ceremony from the hybrid system, that is online as well as from the college staff room. Counting them all, 4 events were organized. These events being Innobiz, Kushti, Stock Wars, Market Kshetra 2.0. Apart from these extremely enjoyable events, the students were also provided the opportunity to be the part of an enlightening webinar on the entrepreneurial mindset and startups by Mr. Amit Sarawagi. Arbitrage 21 was a huge success because of our talented participants, honorable speakers, and everyone else who contributed in making this festival a huge success. Our fest had a cumulative reach of 2 lakh and over and observed more than 2,000 registrations. Now I would ask Palak to give us the glimpse of the Tarang, the cultural fest.
As you all can see, online mode of education couldn't stop the Commerce Department from organizing its cultural fest, Tarang, and spreading happiness in the stressful and gloomy times like present. The Commerce Society of Ramjas College focused all their resources and efforts towards lifting hopes among people. While staying at home, the members of the society organized the annual cultural fest Tarang, digitally streaming it live over YouTube on May 23, 2021. Tarang consisted of various performances in many fields by various artists, a true celebration of music, dance, poetry, photography, arts and crafts, and overall joyousness. The event made a beatific beginning while seeking the blessing from Goddess of Knowledge Saraswati, which was followed by various artistic performances. The performers included many who pursued their art as a career, while there were also many that were holding up the stage for the first time in their lives. Some esteemed guests were also invited to perform and witness the event. Furthermore, many members of the society got a prodigious platform to showcase their talents to everyone out there. Events consisted of programs like Kavyanjali, Sangeet Ki Sham, Kathak, vocals, Shairi, art and craft, dancing, photography, and not to forget meme making. The society encouraged active participation from all the members of the society as well as overall Department of Commerce of the Ramjas College, and therefore the turnout was a joy to behold forever and ever. None of these events would have been possible without the contribution and dedication of the Commerce Society's dedicated students, which brings us to the next slide, which is students' achievements. Now, students who got admission in top institutions. Trisha Bharti got admission in IIM BG, Mehak got admission in IIM Indore, Piyush Kumar got admission in IIM Indore, Siddham Jain got admission in IIM Ahmedabad. Can we have claps in chat for all our top performers? Next slide.
So here we have students' achievement in the various professional courses. That is, we have Harshdev Chaudhary, Yukti Agarwal, Gautam Arora, Diksha Singh, Yashraj Rajput, Saurav Goyal, and R. Rohini. These are the students who have achieved their heights in various professional courses. We would like to congratulate them and would also like you to share a small gesture of congratulation in the chat or however you can in the virtual mode.
Moving on, we have students' achievements in competitions. Nishtha, Rishabh Agarwal, Nitkarsh Jaiswal, Kanishka Sharma, Divya Garg, Kashish Keshwani. Next slide. Harshita Jain, Nikhil Singh. Can we have a huge round of applause for them in the chat? Yes. Now, moving on, we have a big announcement. CA Dr. P.C. Tulsian Sir, the convener of the Commerce Society, is awarded with the Excellence Award for Teacher in Service of Colleges by the University of Delhi for the year 2021. This was a well-deserved award and his students couldn't be more proud.
Moving on forward, we have the achievement of our faculties. The Commerce Department of Ramjas College would now like to congratulate Dr. N.K. Gupta Sir, Dr. Amit Singhal Sir for being promoted to professors. We would also like to congratulate Dr. Dhani Ram Sir, Dr. Surendra Singh Dhaiya Sir, Dr. Sumanjeet Sir to being promoted associate professors. The right tools and the potential within every one of you is the reason for this achievement.
Adding to the list of achievements, we are proud to announce that Ramjas College is ranked 5th in the commerce amongst whole Delhi University and 7th across our country, India, as per India Today Rankings 2021. Now that we have come to the end of this inauguration, I would like to express my warmest thanks to everyone who came to this meeting to celebrate this important occasion with us. Thank you all for your patience. I wish you all a very good afternoon and a very happy Janmashtami. I would now like to invite Mohit Bhaiya to come and share his experience in the ComSoc.
Yeah. Thank you, Palak. So just give you a minute. Just there is some. Yeah. So yeah. So as this with this session, we are about to end our session 2021. So I just in the morning thought of just from the pure of my heart want to speak. I haven't prepared anything, but just wanted to say my experience as well as the experience of the team for this session. So and just want to have a conversation from the core of my heart. So if I were to define this session and want to tell my key learning from this session, particularly 2021, I would like to say in a line that that it really proved that challenges actually makes us stronger and to face the difficult situations, and also gives us the power to face any difficulties, and it also brings out the best in us. So yes, so this was like our session only. We actually got to the position of office bearers in the month of March, which was about to the very end, somehow the end of our academic year. But even thereafter, we were able to form up the team, and within 7 to 8 days we were able to conduct and organize arbitrage, and this actually proved that it is only us who set the limitations. Also, my second learning, which have been it was like quite a personal one. So when I was not office bearers, and I was just part of Commerce Society from the first year. So it actually I've never been any part of any society in my school, or not any part of any extracurriculars. But at Commerce Society, I actually got the opportunity to to be part in the extracurriculars and to try something out besides academics. So I would also like to thank Ramjas College and especially Commerce Department for giving me that opportunity. Firstly, to grow and grow in by year and year, and I'm actually very much honored to get the position of to opportunity to lead the department in this challenging session, which actually gave so much skills to me, give so much experiences to me, that it's going to stay forever and it's going to be very helpful to me. Also, I would like to tell a few challenges that while leading the department, faced it, and how we as a team solved it. So it was actually quite difficult for us to make a team building, as we were not very much connected. We were in our homes only. So to make that team building in a very much short span of time was the difficulty that we were facing. And second difficulty that we were facing was that to ensure the coordination among the different departments, like sub departments that we have in our Commerce Society. Like we have 3 departments this year: PR department, creative department, and editorial. So we have to ensure that coordination, but we were not, facing that difficulty. So we as a team, what we realized that we actually need to conduct informal meetings, talk, stand-up talks, like just a normal conversation, or just a focused group discussion. So what we did on almost every weekend, we used to meet for a reason. Say that today we will meet for a discussion on a particular topic that we want to, or we gave our members an opportunity to, like, they have 50 minutes, they can speak on any topic that they want to. So we ensured that we gave opportunity to our members to develop within the society, and also by this we were able to make relationships among each other. And it was our personal and interpersonal relationships only that at the end we were able to create that meaningful relationship among us. Also, देर वर बहुत ज्यादा ऐसी मेमोरीज है जो हमने क्रिएट करी. लाइक जब तरंग के टाइम था, वी वर एट द नाइट, टोटली हम नाइट पूरा हम लोग है ना, वी वर एंजॉयिंग इट, एंड लास्ट तक डेडलाइन से पहले हम चीजें कंप्लीट कर रहे थे. तो वो वाली चीजें भी है बहुत जो याद आएगी. उसके अलावा स्पेशली जूनियर्स का, जिनके साथ जो एट द एंड भी बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करते थे. इट विल बी लाइक वेरी मेमोरेबल फॉर मी. And also, I would like to especially thank to Tulsian sir and Vishal sir for what I found that they were very, very, very approachable to me. And like for any initiative that Saurav, Diksha, we want to undertake, we can just have direct meeting with sir, and they were very happy to us in talking for an hour and just deliberating with us what we can do. So what Palak and Nikhil told in the annual report about arbitrage and Tarang, this was just a glimpse of what we did. We also, besides this, have done ACIT with Ramjas. So ACIT with Ramjas is an initiative that we have undertaken this year. It's about higher students and those students who want to pursue professional course and higher course. So we actually took this initiative as well to support them. So what we did, we created a closed group community of our department students only who are willing to pursue those professional courses and want to go to higher studies, and to create a peer group so as to make leverage those benefits. So this was the first one thing more that we did. Besides this, at the very start, we realized the importance of website, that in this virtual environment, we need to make our website. So Tulsian sir, Vishal sir, they supported us, and we were actually very much, contributed our efforts towards the website only. It's not out as of now, but soon you will see in the next session our department's website, hopefully. So this was another thing. And also, they say, there were various learnings that I got to know while talking to Vishal sir. He used to tell me his experiences of CA, and like since I'm also pursuing CA, so that conversation which happened while doing work, that learnings that I got to know was really very a memorable one, and I'm very grateful to get that opportunity. So as a leader, as an individual, as a team, I get to learn a lot, and we as a team were able to do our best. And at the end, I would like to say two things, which was the only thing which I came prepared. So yeah, first I would like to give what I see as a department to be, and I would like to, I will be just saying the words of my past president, Dipali Gupta, who actually said these lines, and credits to her. And this was about her lines as to what she envisions and the commerce department to be. So I will just speak those lines, and these lines are with reference from Martin Luther King. So I will just try to be in that voice only. Yeah. So these are the lines which we envision, which we dream for our commerce department. I have a dream, with reference from Martin, that the society grows exceptionally every year. Yes, I have a dream that this society creates a holistic platform stronger than ever for our students to grow. That I have a dream that this society will see a unity never ever seen before in the biggest department of Ramjas. I have a dream that when I look back after years, that this society holds to be the best in Ramjas with exceptional students it always has and will always have in the years to come. I have a dream. Yeah, so these lines actually create so much energy in me, and I hope that you will also feel that kind of zeal that actually our department has a lot of potential, and we are growing marginally over years to come, and we are sure that we will be the best and will grow. Also, now I would like to say my personal experience as an overall I observed in the Ramjas, and it's like my personal lines. So at Ramjas, I saw diversity, I saw arts, I saw how to see things, I saw a lot, I explored, I filled with my courageous wings, I jumped, I fell, and even stopped for a while. And while I was doing all these things, I made a potli full of mithai jaise yadein. So thank you everyone for giving me so much memories. I love Ramjas, I love Cosmos or Comsoc, what we say. Thank you for
Mohit, you have to give vote of thanks to Tulsian sir and sir.
Yeah. So this was my lines, and now we would like to thank on behalf of all our department students to CA Dr. P.C. Tulsian sir and CA Dr. Vishal Pandey sir and all our esteemed faculties for actually staying till the end and for making this event a grand success and always showering your blessings on us. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the participants and all our attendees from Commerce Society members to department for being here with us and being so energetic in the chat box and for making this event a grand success. We will upload this Ramjas Space review today on our social media handles, and you can see it. We are welcome to any feedback that you may have. Also, we will upload an annual report in a day or two. So yes, with this, we would like to sign off. And now, yeah,